Hello, I am grateful for the opportunity to share the mindfulness practice, Be the Pond. Before we begin, I would like to emphasize that this is a mindfulness practice. So release any expectations or any judgments you may have or that may come up for you during this practice. So just an opportunity to practice mindfulness. And mindfulness is not trying to control the mind, but rather to change our relationship with the mind. And Be the Pond is a beautiful picture of how we can change the relationship with the mind. So we will begin by taking 3 clearing breaths together. So with each inhalation, just becoming more and more present. With each exhalation, releasing those expectations, releasing judgment, becoming more relaxed. Take a deep breath in. And then open your mouth and exhale. Again, breathing in, becoming more present, more awake, more aware. Open the mouth, exhale, releasing judgments, expectations, anything that is not here and now. One more breath in, deep, deep breath in, fill up. And then open the mouth, exhale, release, relax, and let go. You are welcome to close your eyes. Otherwise, you can just soften your gaze down, relax your eye muscles. The breath is easy and effortless here. And begin to imagine, if you can visualize, otherwise, just imagine that you are a great big pond. You are the pond. Taking a moment to see or feel clear water, to see or feel the temperature of your pond. And just imagine that you are this pond. And in this pond is full of different fish. And these fish, they swim around inside you, all around you, and pass by you. And these fish are your thoughts, are your emotions. But you are the pond. So as these fish swim by, your thoughts, your emotions, instead of trying to control them or silence them, simply notice, observe. You can even name them. So maybe one of these fish is a tired fish, or perhaps there's an angry fish, maybe a happy fish, peaceful fish. We could have a sad fish, an impulsive fish. And instead of judging, trying to change these fish, practice noticing, observing, naming these fish as they pass by. You are the pond. So in this next minute, I am going to be quiet and allow you to practice being the pond. And as the fish swim in you, around you, and by you, you be the pond. And if you're distracted, if you do start to judge or have long conversations with some of the fish, it's okay, because remember, this is a practice. So we are practicing being the pond, noticing the fish, the thoughts, the feelings, observing, naming, and letting them swim by. So again, you'll be distracted. You're not a robot, but we will practice for the next minute being the pond. And now begin to move your awareness to your breathing. Begin to take some deeper breaths. Just coming back to this moment. You can open your eyes if you shut them, or bring your eyes back to watching. And just taking this last moment to ask yourself how that felt. To practice that as the thoughts came, as the emotions came, how was the practice of just being the pond, watching, observing, noticing? And this is a mindfulness practice for all ages. So I hope that you can, as I said, it is a practice. Take another minute later in your day, or share this practice with someone that you know and can perhaps benefit from the practice of non-judgment, releasing expectations, and just being.